Hello and welcome to the latest Scotland forecast from the Met Office. Having seen Monday's Storm Brendan move through, Tuesday starts off with colder conditions, snow and ice risk for central and northern Scotland. Meanwhile, it's a blustery start to the day, but the winds not so much of an issue compared to Monday. And there will be also some sunshine in the south and the east for a time before the next area of low pressure moves into the south towards the end of Tuesday. But Storm Brendan there, not far away as we begin the day. It's going to stay to the north of Scotland through the next couple of days. And so still a blustery start. And we've had colder air move in following the worst of the weather of Storm Brendan. And that means that there'll be further snow showers over the hills north of the central belt. We're looking at 200 or 300 metres for the first few hours of the day. We can expect some quite treacherous conditions there with heavy snowfall and a gusty wind and some slippery surfaces even down to lower levels with some icy patches. That will continue for some time, but there will be some sunshine there for the central belt, eastern Scotland. However, later into the day, into the afternoon, it turns wet and cloudy again for central and southern parts of the country. Rain moves in, it bumps into cold air. That means some snowfall over the tops of the southern uplands, southern parts of the Grampians as well. We keep the blustery showers going further north. And it's a cold day wherever you are. It's 6 or 7 under the persistent wet weather in the south, but it's mid to low single figures further north. We do keep some brightness there into the far northeast of Aberdeenshire, but for central and southern parts of the country, well, it's a wet and miserable end to the day. You can see those snowflakes over the tops of the southern uplands, generally above 500-600 metres or so, and also over the Grampians. Now, best of any dry weather, best of any clear spells, really in the far northeast as we end Tuesday, because there'll be further showers piling into northwestern areas and that more persistent wet weather for central and southern parts. Later on, it does tend to clear through, and so that means that with clearing skies and a return to showers generally for Tuesday night, we're going to see temperatures fall away. Most of the showers will carry on across, say, the Northwest Highlands, the Western Isles, the Northern Isles as well, but clear spells breaking out for the southern uplands, for the central belt into Aberdeenshire, Fife, Edinburgh, the Lothians. Still a breeze overnight, and that means it won't be a widespread frost, but we're likely to have temperatures fall away to the low single figures because we'll have cold air returning quite widely across the country. And that means a bright but blustery start to the day on Wednesday for eastern and southern areas, further heavy showers into the north and the west, and again snow over the higher ground above 400 or 500 metres or so. A cold day once again on Wednesday, 6 or 7 degrees, feeling even colder where we've got the heavy showers moving through. And it's going to be increasingly windy again, especially in the north and the northwest, gales around coasts. That's another thing to watch out for. Once that all moves through, another showery day to come on Thursday and Friday with some prolonged rainfall at times. But there are promising signs that high pressure will build into the weekend. You can find more details on that through the Met Office Week Ahead forecast on the Met Office YouTube page and Facebook page. Bye-bye.